Thank you very much for watching my video and for subscribing to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please click the subscribe button. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to take care of and maintain your leather interior for your car. I have a VW Tiguan right here. And come on here, Brianna. My daughter Brianna is here today. And the thing about some of the Tiguan, the SE and SEL, it comes with a leather interior. If you have a luxury car like Mercedes, BMW, Porsche, and Jaguar, they come with a leather interior. The Jaguar that I have is 2002, so the leather start to show this crack right here. This is actually pretty good for a 16-year-old car. It's still pretty pristine. The thing is, my Tiguan is 2013, as you can see. The leather is still in a good condition. There's no cracking. It's still fairly new. It's only a 5-year-old car, and I maintain this a lot. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to maintain your leather interior and to keep it nice and pristine, especially when you have an old car and you just buy like classic Jaguar, Porsche, BMW, Mercedes, Bentley. This thing will work for your luxury car and regular car if you have leather interior. I like to use the chemical guys. They're pretty good. The chemical guys, I just got it in the mail and I'm really happy when I got this. Let's open it. The thing is, our body oil, actually, if you wear short, it will get stuck on your leather interior. You know, like and then your jeans will scratch and the leather. It's just like our skin in the winter time. If you don't put lotion, it becomes dry and it starts to crack. The same thing with leather. So what you want to do, first, I have the chemical guys leather cleaner. This one is to get rid of, you know, like all the contaminants on the leather interior before you apply the luster conditioner. So anyway, and the last method we're gonna do is the leather protectant. This is that will help to protect the leather from UV, like sun ray and everything. So this is really good. So anyway, first of all, you need a nice microfiber towel. And what you want to do is, like, this is what you do. Just grab the leather cleaner and spray it nicely. This is really good. If you have a new car like 2013, 2018, this is good to start you know, maintaining it now. So you just start wiping it. See, start cleaning the leather with the chemical guide leather cleaner. So this, I'm just gonna clean everything. Like, look, all the stuff. I'm gonna clean it up really nicely. I'm gonna get the microfiber towel and just clean everything like that. Yeah, the passenger side usually is not that bad. The thing is, the driver side is the one that is really bad. I just cleaned the VW Tiguan. I'm just gonna apply the leather cleaner just to wipe. Look at this, all the stuff. I'm just gonna clean everything. See that? All did you see that? There was a spot right there. This thing actually will take some of the spot on the leather, and look, it restore the look of the leather, which is really nice. You need the leather cleaner before you apply the leather conditioner. See, look at this, come closer. This is an old car. Some of the leather, I need to get a leather restoration kit. As you can see, this thing start to peel, so I need a leather restoration kit right there. So apparently the previous owner doesn't take care of it. So this is, if you just buy an old classic car, you want to clean it really nicely and just wipe everything clean. Once you're done with this, you want to put it down. Let's go back to the VW, and you want to get the chemical guys leather conditioner. This one will keep your leather in a like new condition. So it's not gonna be new, but it will keep it like, you know, like it's act like a lotion to prevent it from cracking. So get an applicator. Actually, this one is still, they put plastic, which is good. So I'm gonna open it and get an applicator like that and start. Put some conditioner on the leather. The Tiguan is not really dirty, which is nice. So as you can see, look, it restored the blackness of the leather. See that? So you just put leather conditioner. This is to make the leather feel like soft and smooth and silky, which is that's what you want. You don't want your leather to dry up and start cracking. So you want to start all the leather surfaces. You want to get the what? The leather conditioner. See that? Come on, Brenna, come closer. This is before I put the conditioner. After I put the conditioner, look how dry it is, right? Look, after I put the conditioner, let's just, there you go. Look at the quality of the blackness right there. It's amazing. The same thing. Any leather surface, you know, you just put the conditioner and look how nice it is. The leather become nice and shiny. See, I'm just gonna, yeah, this way it prevent your leather from cracking. What do you do with this one? There is, they call it interior. With the Tiguan, we have a plastic surface. There's an I'll teach you how to do that, but right now I'm gonna teach you how to do the leather only. So here we go. Just put the applicator. This is for the VW Tiguan, and now it's, look at it, how nice it is. Come here, Brenna. See how nice and shiny it is, and it's so much cleaner now. And then I'm gonna do the same thing with the Jaguar. Look, with the Jaguar, look at that. Some of the leather start to crack. It's just like our skin when it's dry. With this one, when it starts to crack, I have to get a leather restoration kit. I will teach you that one. But right now, I'm trying to prevent it from cracking even worse. So I'm gonna put this one. I'm gonna put the leather serum. If you have a brand new car, you can stop at this step. You just condition the leather and you're done with it. With an older leather, the thing about if you buy a luxury car like Bentley, Porsche, Mercedes, BMW, Rolls Royce, yeah, you need to take care of your leather because it's not cheap, you know, when the leather start to break. So and the thing about luxury car, the interior has a lot of leather parts. So you want to look at this. Look how nice it is, how shiny, and just like our skin, you know, it looks like renewed. And see, with Jaguar and luxury car, the car has leather. This is leather, like the steering wheel is leather. Look at this, how nice it is. It was dry, but look, it makes the steering wheel look so much better. The good thing, there is no crack on the steering wheel, which I'm very fortunate. So I'm gonna get all the leather conditioner, and look at that. Show them, Brenna. Look how nice it is. Look, the leather becomes shinier and it has that wet look. Oops, sorry. So yeah, I'm just gonna apply a little bit more right here on this side. See that? And it looks so much better already. See, once the leather condition it's been conditioned, we want to go move a bit, Rana. Let's show them. You want to get the what? The last step. This one, it will protect the leather conditioner from drying out. So we're gonna open this one. Oh, this thing is hard to open. Get my key. There you go. This is, they call it leather protectant serum. It will protect the leather from like dangerous UV light. That's the thing about the UV light, the sign, it will dry up our skin and as well as your interior leather. So yeah, we can use the same applicator or just go to the other side of the applicator. Let's open it up. Again, it has plastic on it. Yeah, Chemical guys make a really good product for your car. So I really like their product. I've been using it for a year now. So I'm gonna put, and then do the same thing. Look, Brenna, come here, Brenna. Do the same thing. And just do the leather protectant. This way, you only do this like every 6 months, 6 to 12 months. I always do it every 6 months to make the thing is, once you want to sell the car, the first thing the buyer wants, or car dealer, when it comes to trading in your car, they will see the quality of your interior, especially your leather. So I'm gonna put the leather conditioner, the protectant serum. So number one, you want to clean your leather. After it's clean, you want to put leather conditioner. This is like lotion for the leather to make the leather soft, smooth, and silky. And this is the final one to protect your leather from breaking and to keep the moisture on the leather. So as you can see, I've been taking care of the Tiguan. Look how nice the leather is. It's nice, shiny, and clean. This is what you want, and it makes the car smells really good. It's like this one gives the brand new leather smell. This one right here, which is good. That's what you want. You don't want the thing about a leather interior. After a while, it becomes really musty. It smells like an old leather, right? It doesn't smell good. So look at this, Brenna. Come on here, Brenna. Look how nice it is. That one is a bit dry, right? Look at this one. It's nice and clean and shiny. And look how soft it is. You can touch it to how nice and silky. With Jaguar, this thing is leather too. So, and to put this is really good because look at this. It will repel the sun from drying. The dashboard will crack if you have leather interior like Bentley, Porsche, Mercedes, BMW, Royce. All the luxury car like Jaguars have leather dashboard, so you want to do that. So you can do that. So I'm gonna apply the leather serum. I won't take too much of my time because I just want to show you how it's done. So look at this. Show it, Brenna, how nice the steering wheel is after you put the serum. It smells really good too. And I'm gonna start applying it on the seat. Usually the driver's seat is the one that needs to be taken care of the most because the driver tends to drive here a lot, so look at this, how nice it is. It smells good, and it's I might as well get everything that's nearby. So yeah, for 2002 car, 16-year-old car, this is actually not bad at all. I'm gonna apply it. Look at that. I'll show you before and after, right? It was dry, the leather, but now after I put the leather serum, it looks extremely shiny. And you only do this every 6 to 12 months, so you don't have to do it very much, which is nice. So this way, so when it's time to trade in your car or to sell your car, you have a car that is in really good condition. Look at this. Look at the dry part right now. I'll show it to you. Here you go, Brenna. Show them how it looks like. It's really, really nice, soft, smooth, and silky, and it's shiny. So anyway, let's recap again. First of all, what you want to do, move a bit, darling. My daughter is here. You want to what? You want to get this 3 things. You want to get what? The leather cleaner. And with leather cleaner, you want to get a nice, good microfiber towel. You doing like that, and you what? And you want to clean the leather and the imperfection. Let's take a look at that. Look, this thing has a lot of spot. I'm just gonna. You want to what? Wipe the spots first with the leather cleaner. I'm gonna do this later after the video, but you need to what? Prep your leather before you give the moisturizer. So you want to clean it really nice, and it shows here. So you want to get the leather cleaner, once the leather is clean, you want to get what? An applicator and leather conditioner, and you start doing this. You know, I'm just gonna start conditioning the leather like that. I'm just gonna do one side for now, and I'll finish the rest later. There you go. So you need leather cleaner and applicator. I'll put the everything on the link. It's really hot today in Maryland. Once you're done, you can either get another applicator or you can use the other side of the applicator. Once you're done with the moisturizing, get the leather what? Protectant. This one will give the smell new, you know, the leather smell like when it's still new, you know, and it's protect the leather from like UV rays and dangerous stuff. It will keep the leather, you know, in a kind of like brand new condition. Like this Jaguar owner apparently didn't know how to do it, so I'm gonna put this one here. It's so much nicer, and it's make the leather like shiny. So when it comes to selling your car or trading it, and when the dealer look at the condition of the leather, they're like, wow, you really keep the leather interior really nicely. So yeah, again, you need the leather cleaner. Clean your leather first, then once you're done cleaning it, make sure you put the leather conditioner, then leather serum. Anyway, thank you very much guys for watching my video and for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Love you guys. Thank you very much for watching.